How to manage news notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage news notifications on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then just go here and you will find this one, settings and privacy, and then you will see notifications here. Click on it, and then this one, preferences, click on it, and then click push notifications, and then go down and you will find news, and here you can turn it off or turn it on if you want. And that's how manage news notifications on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.